Hold on to your headsets, folks, because 2024 is shaping up to be a landmark year for VR. The competition is fiercer, the innovation is faster, and the experiences are more immersive than ever before. We're talking about a revolution in how we game, work, and connect with each other. The big players, Oculus, HTC, Valve, and Pimax, are back with new tricks up their sleeves, each vying for a piece of the expanding VR pie. This year, it's not just about better graphics or smoother tracking, though we're getting plenty of both. The focus has shifted to tackling some of the biggest challenges that have plagued VR since its inception. Think wider fields of view for unparalleled immersion, lighter and more comfortable designs for longer play sessions, and innovative technologies that blur the lines between reality and the virtual world. From Meta's relentless pursuit of the metaverse to Valve's dedication to high-fidelity experiences, each company is approaching the VR landscape with a unique vision. Whether you're a seasoned VR veteran or a curious newcomer ready to take the plunge, there's never been a better time to dive in. Get ready to explore the cutting edge of VR technology as we break down what each contender brings to the table in the 2024 Showdown. Oculus, the biggest name in the consumer VR market, has its sights set firmly on the metaverse. Their upcoming Oculus Quest 4 is rumored to sport a sleek new design, making it even lighter and more comfortable for extended use. Improved battery life is also said to be a major focus, allowing users to spend more time in their virtual worlds without interruption. However, the real star of the show might be Oculus's continued investment in facial and eye tracking technology. Imagine your avatar mimicking your every expression, conveying genuine emotion and enhancing social interactions in the metaverse. This, combined with Oculus's massive content library and focus on social VR experiences, makes it clear they're betting big on a future where work, play, and socializing all happen within virtual spaces. Of course, Oculus wouldn't be Oculus without a focus on accessibility. The Quest 4 is expected to continue the trend of offering a standalone VR experience, meaning no expensive gaming PC is required. This plug-and-play approach has been a major factor in Oculus's success, and it's likely to attract even more users to the world of VR in 2024. HTC has always marched to the beat of its own drum, and in the 2024 VR landscape, that means embracing openness and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Their latest offering, the HTC Vive Cosmos Elite 2, is a testament to this philosophy. Building upon the modular design of its predecessor, the Cosmos Elite 2 allows users to swap out components and upgrade their VR experience over time. One of the most exciting features rumored for the Cosmos Elite 2 is support for both inside-out and outside-in tracking. This hybrid approach promises the best of both worlds, the freedom and ease of use of inside-out tracking, coupled with the pinpoint accuracy and wider tracking volume of outside-in systems. For VR enthusiasts and developers, this level of flexibility is a game-changer. HTC is also making waves with its commitment to open-source software and its ViveWave platform. By fostering a collaborative ecosystem, HTC is empowering developers to create groundbreaking VR experiences that can be enjoyed across a wide range of devices. This dedication to openness could be key in attracting a wider audience to the HTC ecosystem in 2024. Valve, the company behind the critically acclaimed Half-Life Alyx, is synonymous with high-fidelity VR experiences. Their upcoming Valve Index 2 is rumored to be a no-compromise headset aimed at the most demanding VR enthusiasts. Expect a significant jump in resolution, potentially exceeding 4K per eye, for unparalleled visual clarity. Comfort is another area where the Index 2 is rumored to excel. Valve is said to be implementing new materials and weight distribution techniques to create a headset that feels practically weightless on your head. This, combined with improved ergonomics and breathability, should allow users to disappear into virtual worlds for hours on end without discomfort. But the true hallmark of Valve's approach to VR is their innovative finger tracking technology. The Index 2 is expected to feature refined finger tracking capabilities, allowing for even more nuanced and realistic interactions in virtual environments. From typing on a virtual keyboard to manipulating objects with your bare hands, the Index 2 aims to make you forget you're even wearing a headset. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button. Share with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, remain safe.